Welcome to GamyCon Orlando 2022. This is a quick tutorial on how to use the Blue Rabbit app. If you have been to GamyCon in the past editions, you will be able to use your username and password. If you don't have a username and password, just click Sign Up, fill in the blanks, and register a new player. Once inside, you will be prompted with a little bit of the narrative. Make sure you listen to what Marion has to say to you, because there will be some tips and some very valuable information there. This screen is called the journey, but the first thing that you want to do is go to your profile on the upper right corner and connect your Twitter account. Once you open up this screen, you have to click on the image here or on the edit button to go and update your profile. Here, add up your data as you want and then connect your Twitter account. Once you can click on that button, it will prompt you to Twitter, you log in with your username password, and you will be brought back. You can go back to the adventure by clicking on the upper left corner on the journey icon. This is without a question the screen that you will see the most. If you have your Twitter connected to your account, you will be able to attempt the challenges that prompt you to do so. So, if you click on Tweet Now, it will send you to Twitter with some pre-populated information that will allow you to tweet and get the points for doing this specific task. When you're back, give some time to Twitter. It takes about 2 to 5 minutes for Twitter to report to Blue Rabbit that you have submitted a successful post. Other tasks will ask you to submit some information. So when you click Do It Now, you will see the instructions, follow them, and then answer your question here. Once you've written your answer, submit it, you will see that you have earned 500 experience points and 50 coins. You can click here to go back to the journey. I will reload the page and see if Twitter has already reported us. And as you can see, thanks to that tweet that I sent in the past, I just leveled up. Leveling up is very important. That way, when you go to the item shop, you will be able to exchange the points that you have earned for different items that you will see available here. Depending on your level or the achievements that you have earned, you will be able to purchase different things. So make sure to come back often so that you can make the right choices. You can click on this item, and as you can see, it says this is just an example item. You can purchase this, and it will allow you to shop again or go to the backpack. The backpack is a very important place because here you can see all the items that you have purchased. If you forget where your backpack is, always click on the navigation menu, and then on the second option you will have access to your backpack right there. When you click on an item in the backpack, it may reveal additional information, just like this one. Make sure to check them often because there might be some secrets hiding. You can go back to the homepage to the journey by clicking on that icon. And the last thing that you want to do is forget your magic codes. Magic codes will be shown to you after every talk. So when you hear or see a magic code or someone tells you this is a magic code, you want to click on the yellow icon on the left and enter it here. When you send it, you will hear a sound and then you will see some additional information. This is a successful magic code. After you have entered a magic code, you may reload the page and some additional quests will come out for you. After every magic code, additional quests and challenges will be open for you to do. So don't forget to input them if you want to progress far in the journey. The challenges themselves will prompt you to do greater things step by step and little by little. Don't forget that magic has run out and it's our job to get it back. May the force be with you. We'll hope that you enjoyed GamyCon as much as we enjoyed building it for you.